So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be going deep into like the whole YouTube journey, okay? My whole YouTube journey, okay? We're going to be spilling it out and just talk about it, like how much growth I have attained from when I started YouTube, what kind of equipment I was using before and now, in, you know what I mean, like have I really attained that growth, that change, you know? So let's go straight into this video. First thing first, let me show you guys like the camera that I used to shoot my first ever video, okay? And we're gonna be talking about like quality wise, which one is the best and stuff like that, and how much technology have advanced from like 5-6 years ago when I started YouTube, okay? This is my first ever, okay? This is a camcorder, okay? How cool is that? This is how I used to record. That's what it looks like. My first ever video on YouTube was shot using this. Can you imagine? This thing has suffered. It has suffered. And yeah, I even dropped it down and cracked it right here. But I haven't used it since then. Whew. So with that being said, okay, I really want to talk about like the quality wise, like when it came to like using a camcorder and me using like my iPhone, okay? So let me play you guys like one of my first videos, okay? It's been like 5 or 6 years ago, and I did this video like I was in front of my house. If it's gonna play.
Hello everyone. In my last video, someone asked me a question. Why did you have to go through all that stress of using an ink pen to write your speech instead of sitting on the computer, type everything out so fast and print it out? I just wanted to say, writing with ink pen or handwriting, it made me go back to those days where we used to use ink pen to write letters to your families, friends, and all those stuff. You know, these days modern technology have really changed the way people think and even the way people do things. So me, I feel like handwriting, like using ink pen and a blank piece of paper, really expands your creativity, you know.
I really don't want to play the whole video right here because I don't want to waste time, you know what I mean, just playing that. It's like a 5-minute something video, but that video was done like 5-6 years ago, okay? And no editing, okay? At that point I'll just sit like this and just film and just upload, okay? I really didn't know much about like editing, like if you could like really edit a video and blah blah blah, all that stuff. So I just shoot and I just, you know, and you can tell like the quality is really good, okay? In as much that video was shot like outside, okay? In as much as you get like that natural sunlight, okay, you can use anything, okay? Anything. These days people feel like you need to get like a fancy phone, a fancy camera of like 500, 600, 700, 800, and the list continue before you can shoot a good video. No, you don't need all that, okay? I just wanted to share this. Like, I feel like if you want to start a YouTube channel, okay, and you're just waiting like, oh, whenever I get like the best phone, whenever I get the best camera, like you're wasting your time, okay? And when I started YouTube like 5-6 years ago, I've been on this street for too long, but I feel like I was just doing it just for like the fun of it, you know what I mean? Like I didn't even know like, okay, you can make some change off this street, okay? I was just doing videos for the fun of it. Like I enjoy being in front of the camera. That's just me, okay? There's just something about it, like if I don't shoot a video, it's like there's just something about me that just be like, come on girl, wake up. That's how you know like you got a passion for something, okay? Because let me tell you guys, if it wasn't about passion, I probably wouldn't even be doing videos anymore on YouTube, you know what I mean? So you have to have like that kind of zeal, that like something that's like really deep inside of you, that when you jump out they say, hey, shoot, you can shoot. You know what I mean? The reason why I really got that camcorder wasn't because of YouTube, okay? I got it because I was taking a speech class, and in that speech class we needed to, like, you know what I mean, like, for example, to ask you to like cook something that you're passionate about, okay? So, or you just make something, maybe like a smoothie, something that you're passionate about. So we'll sit down and do it and record or make a speech, then you send it to your instructor, okay? Then she's gonna grade it. That's where I started. I was like, maybe I can just sit right here and just record some videos and just put on YouTube. That was how I started, okay? And so far so good, okay? But I feel like I said, back then I was just doing it just for the fun of it. Like, you know, I really went deep into YouTube. I think it was like last year that I started like uploading like more frequently. Like, okay, so we can make money off the street, okay? So let's put for the energy and make that money, okay? And so far it's been really good, okay? I'm so grateful, okay? Like, sometimes it doesn't matter like the amount that you make, but just the fact that you get paid to do what you love to do, that is great right there. That's a great feeling. And just having like, not just focusing on like your what they say, 9 to 5 job, but actually having something on the side. Like, let's say for example, even if you get just like $100, $200 or $300 a month, that is something, okay? For your side hustling on YT, that is something, you know? Not a lot of people get paid to do what they love to do, okay? These days a lot of people just go into something like maybe career wise just because, oh, they pay good right there, but it's not really a passion. It's not really something that you're really passionate about, you know? So what would I say in terms of like the iPhone and the camcorder? I would say like the iPhone shoots like really great images, okay? Take some awesome beautiful pictures if you have like if you have the kind of light that is required, okay? Like right now I got the ring light. I can't stop talking about my ring light, okay? And I take like some really great pictures, okay? And I feel like same way, if you have like some great quality light, so you can still take like some great nice pictures using just your camcorder, okay? So though there's a difference, but I won't really say that big of a big of a difference, you know what I mean? Like, the only thing is like on my iPhone, okay, I can record a video or shoot a video and edit on iMovie. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that I can't really do on like my camcorder, you know. But other than that, can I still use this to shoot? Yes. I can still use this to shoot, but I just haven't been using it, okay? I feel like, I don't know, maybe my son live, he's into photography. I don't know why, but sometimes he takes a lot of my pictures and shoot a lot of my videos. So maybe as he get older, he'll make use of this. I don't know if he will like it or not, but it's been in my house here for like how long, how many years now? I haven't used it, you know. And it's bad because there's somebody out there just need just something to start filming in, you know. That's how life is. How funny is that? But I want you guys to tell me, could you tell, like, the last video that I uploaded, okay? No, the video before that one, I explained to you guys how I used like my iPhone to shoot the video because of the light quality, you know. If you guys want to compare that video and compare this, like my first videos on YT, and tell me, can you tell that big of a difference between like 5 years ago, like, and now, okay? Is there any difference in terms of the quality? Like I said, I think that's a really good quality, okay? Back then, 4 or 5 years ago, you know, the light quality.
Okay, I hope that answered your question.
And I think because it was more more like outside natural light.
Talking about,
but overall, I love it. would I still use it again? Yeah, if I have a chance to use it, yeah, why not? Hey, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you love what you see, why don't you go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. And you guys tell me, okay, what kind of camera did you use to start up your YouTube channel? Was it your phone? Was it a camcorder? What kind of camera? You know, the Canon, like what I'm using right now is a Canon G7X. Okay, is that what you're using? Like, what kind of cameras are you using, okay, to film? And how can you, my son, how can you tell the difference from like your first ever, either your first ever video or just like your first YouTube video when you just started YouTube, okay, and your present videos? Can you tell like any difference in terms of like the lighting, the light quality? You know what I mean? Just drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of camera that you use, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video.